Hey, awesome. What holiday is coming up?
Christmas.
Christmas. And we celebrate Christmas. We're super excited, right?
Yeah.
But some of our art friends celebrate a different holiday. Well, what's that holiday called?
Hanukkah.
Hanukkah. And during Hanukkah, they play a game with a toy that's called what?
Dreidel.
A dreidel. Good job. Today we're going to draw a dreidel. We hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. You need a marker, some paper.
And something to color with.
Something to color with. Okay, are you ready to start?
Oh, no, I missed it.
Do it again.
Okay, there you go.
First, we're going to draw a line that goes straight across on our paper. Now, this is the top of our top. And we could draw it right about here, and we're going to draw it over to there. Yeah. Then we're going to draw, you know what? Let's draw it a little bit longer. There you go. Now, let's draw two lines that come down on each side. And we don't want to draw these lines too long. There you go. Next, down at the bottom, we're going to draw a U shape to connect the bottom two lines. Good job. Then we're going to draw another line right down the middle. This is pretty simple. We're almost done. We're going to draw that just a little longer. And then we're going to draw two U shapes inside, and we're going to connect to the center one. So watch this. We're going to draw a U that comes up, connects, and then we're going to draw another U that connects over to the other side. There you go. And then another one. You did it. Now that's the main body of the dreidel. We need to draw the top or the handle part that you spin. So we're going to draw two lines coming up. Well, I'm drawing them coming down, but you can draw them coming up out of the dreidel. There you go, and draw it closer. Yeah, so it's not as big. There you go. And then at the very top, we can connect it like that. Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing the dreidel, except we're not completely done. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
We color it. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
We did it, Austin. Good job on coloring. It looks so much better colored in. I hope our friends are gonna pause the video to match the same color. Now, we just used beige to color the whole thing. I also added dark brown for the shading, and we added two, what are these things called?
Letters.
Letters. These are Hebrew letters. Now, this one over here means Gimel, and I believe that means you get everything in the game. And this one over here means none, and you get absolutely nothing in the game. I'll leave a link below this video where you can head over to another website that we use to make these letters, right?
Yeah.
And you can also find out more information, like the rules about the game and what these letters mean, what you're supposed to do when the top lands on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.